Tell me you're tired of paying for AI image generation subscriptions just to have less control over performance and personalization without telling me that. Well, if you are, that's probably why you stumbled upon this video anyways, and the same exact reason why I decided to invest in ComfyUI. ComfyUI is pretty much a software that you can download on your computer locally and generate AI and video images, and you don't have to worry about subscriptions, paying per image charges, anything like that. And it gives you so much freedom with personalization that it just makes it all worth it. Let me just hop right into this video for you guys so we can get you installed, downloaded, ready to go. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to download the ComfyUI software, which is available on GitHub from the official ComfyUI developers. I already have everything pulled up, so it's pretty easy and simple. All of the links that we use today will be in the description, so super simple and easy. By the time you end this video, you'll have everything set up and installed perfectly. Right now we're at it already. It's github.com/comfy-org/ComfyUI, which, like I said, is in the description. Once you go here, we're going to go over to the releases. It looks like the latest one came out yesterday, which I already have the latest one. Once you download your software, you don't have to worry about going back and re-downloading just to get the latest one. It will already give you like automatic updates and or manually just go in the software and update it from there. You don't have to worry about coming to GitHub every single time or just checking when to get a new release. We're going to ignore all of this, but this is where the changes within the update would be. We're going to come down here. Now, depending on your PC and what you're using, my specs are actually in my About Me. So About Me, description, bio, wherever it's at is somewhere on my page if you want to go take a look at that. But for the sake of ease, we're going to go with what we're using today, and it is NVIDIA. So you're going to do the portable NVIDIA download. After pressing the ComfyUI Windows Portable NVIDIA download, it should pop up over here to your right, where obviously it pops up in your download folder. Boom, we already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to let that continue. I'm just going to exit out, but that's exactly where it would be. After it's done downloading, then let's go over to 7zip.org. This is actually going to be a software that helps extract that file. So we downloaded the ComfyUI, we left it alone. It's sitting in our downloads folder. We cannot open it and extract the actual file until we have the software on the computer. Now, if you already have that on your PC, then you're good to go. You don't need to download this, but most people will have to do this. So I wanted to move myself out the way so I can make sure you guys can see this as well. But like I said, don't worry about it. All the links will be in the description. So if my head is lacking anything, it will be there. We're gonna hit the download button. Obviously, it's gonna pop up over here to the right. Boom, we'll open file. You'll have a place to save this. Mine's is popping up ComfyUI right now. If you don't have a ComfyUI file set up, which most likely you won't because you didn't extract the software from the downloads yet, just make a temporary file or just put it somewhere that you will easily remember it, maybe like desktop or something, somewhere easily that you can find and extract after. We're gonna hit install. Another thing with the 7-zip, all of the pre-put settings and defaults that you have to click through while installing are all good for your PC. Just go ahead and click through them. It's gonna be about like 20 of them that you gotta go through. Don't worry about it. It's set up perfectly for Windows and should do exactly what it needs to do. So click through that. After you're done installing the 7-zip, go back over to your downloads, which obviously mine is not here right now, but you would see your ComfyUI software file in there. You're going to go ahead now and extract that file. After extracting that file, it should save to your Windows. Look something like this. In Windows, ComfyUI. Boom. I put my 7-zip inside of this folder just so I don't lose it and everything kind of just stays together, and that's what that would look like. Now, to open up your ComfyUI to make sure everything has downloaded correctly and everything is working perfectly smooth, go all the way down to Run NVIDIA GPU BAT. If you don't see it here, go ahead into Advanced and it might be in there. If not, ComfyUI as well. Scroll all the way down, see if anything is in there. I can't remember if I brought mine out here so it's easier for me to reach, but we'll fix that at the end too. That's specifically what you're going to be looking for is the Run NVIDIA GPU BAT. Double click that and it should ask if you want to run, if it's verified. I had to skip my smart app protection thing that Windows has going on. I actually bypassed it so it would just pop up regular. Now our PowerShell is going to pop up. This is where your ComfyUI is going to load in every single time. You always want to leave it up. Don't exit out of it. It is basically your software pulling up on the computer. Boom, we're leaving that. I already have it downloaded, but it should pop up immediately for you. So if you made it this far, congrats, you finally downloaded your ComfyUI. It's up and running. There's a couple more things I want to show you, but this is the base of what you'll need, and you're pretty much good to go and you could start working from here. But let me show you something. This is just your base. This is your app. This isn't what's actually creating any AI generated images. This is just the platform that you have now downloaded on your system locally that will give you access to run these other models. So you need to download models. 2 good models that I have downloaded that I will link below. So the first one you want to download is Stable Diffusion. This is pretty much your base AI model that you want to download first and then put into your ComfyUI, because it's a pretty good foundation for generating pretty much anything from like abstract photos, landscapes, people, objects, your starting point base model AI. The second one you want to download is Juggernaut XL. This is a little bit better for photorealistic images, skin textures, eye color, small details, natural lighting. It pretty much gets way more fine-tuned. So adding this on top of your Stable Diffusion model and making sure these are both inside of your ComfyUI is a pretty good base foundation to start with, depending of course on what you're trying to make. But for more realistic, hyper-realistic photos, I would download this as well. Now to get them into your ComfyUI, you want to download them both separately. After downloading, you're going to go over to your files, your PC, ComfyUI Portable. You're going to go to ComfyUI, find Models, and in Models, you're going to open up Checkpoints. Within Checkpoints, this is where you want to take those downloads and save them and place them there. So you can see I already have the Juggernaut. I also have the Stable Diffusion base. After you add these, they're all set to go. You can close that out. Close your original window of your ComfyUI that you have up and reopen a new one. Once you do that, you'll go over to Models. Under Checkpoints, you should see your first AI models that you've downloaded. So these are mine. I did the same exact thing. I've tried it, it works. I've used them multiple times and for different projects. You should be all set to go. There is one more thing that I want you to download. If you see this little guy over here, this is going to be your ComfyUI manager. This will help you keep everything downloaded so you don't have to go back into the terminal and learn how to type and download things through there. It's almost like an app store within your ComfyUI software that you want to have just to make the whole process easier. But we'll save that for another video for right now. Congrats on downloading ComfyUI. You are all set to go. You can literally start building out a workflow right now and generating images. And it's so fun. So proud of you. Check out the next video so you can see how to download the manager, which was a little bit confusing at first, but since I went through all the confusing parts, it'll be easy for you. Just follow the steps. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you get to follow along on this journey. Peace.